Hey guys, Ellie from the YouLi support team here to walk you through how you can now pass on the credit card surcharge to your travelers. So as you guys can see here, I am in my Austria mountain retreat on my update trip costs tab. When I select collect payments via credit card in this costs tab of my YouLi trip, I can see that now I can add the amount of the credit card surcharge that I need to include. Now take note that the credit card surcharge is going to be different for each country that you're in. And when you click this Learn More button, we've created an incredible help doc that will hopefully help you be able to figure out what percent you need to pass on to your travelers. Your travelers will actually see this percentage when they go into their costs, when they go in to pay their trip. They'll see that there's an added surcharge here. And even when they click to pay by credit card, they'll see that there's this plus $12.50 added to their final cost. Now remember, only with credit card do you have this extra surcharge. If you choose direct bank transfer or another option as a way for your travelers to pay, that surcharge will not be added. And again, that surcharge is actually not YouLi. That's whatever Stripe or Square or method you use to kind of collect that credit card payment. So let us know if you have any questions. It's an amazing new way for you to be able to integrate those credit card payments for your travelers in your YouLi trips. Reach out to us via chat or email. Thanks.